Alright, another video. Got a new tool on Black Friday. A Goodyear cordless impact wrench. Everybody's talking about why does it say 300 foot-pound of torque, and that's why. I read a lot of reviews and all the reviews were 270 or under 300, and everybody was like, why is everybody saying 300? That's the reason, because it says on the box. Pretty good. Got it for $70 with the rebates and everything. Let's take a look what's inside. Get a nice sturdy case. I like that. Came with a charger, battery, an extension, and 3 sockets. Looks pretty good. Feels pretty good in your hand, not too heavy. Has some charge, but I'll be charging it a little more. Try it out on this car. Take off the wheels, change the brakes, and see how handy it is. Hoping, but so far I'm pretty impressed for the price and what you get. A competitive Craftsman impact wrench is about over $100. $120 was the cheapest I could find. This I got with rebates, $70 from Pep Boys. I don't think you can beat that. I was looking at a bunch of impact drivers, but I read that they are not as powerful as an impact wrench, and they do wear out faster if I use them to remove lug nuts or bigger bolts other than just regular household stuff. But I wanted something I can go to pick and pull, take off parts without struggling or being there too long. Just go there and just zoop, zoop, take off the parts and be on my way. So hopefully this will serve that purpose. Hope you guys enjoyed it.